Hey everyone, I'm Van Johnson. Here's how I took her hair from this to this. First, I select the products that I will use for my wash, depending on the condition of the hair. It has grown.
You think yes?
It
But when I
has
just
grown.
came down?
Yes. Your hair grows very, very fast.
That was me.
No. Your hair grows real fast. Now I am going to condition it.
It used to be hard to wet my hair.
Yeah. But the water level is really good. The wash, we just want to spread all of our product that we're going to use in there. We use a leave-in conditioner. I love this conditioner. What type of maintenance chemical did you put in there? Any oil
To
or
make my hair
anything?
curl?
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, I did put a little oil on my hair.
The
Other day.
I can actually feel it. I can feel it.
I don't usually put oil in it, but it was sitting on the countertop, so I just put it in.
No.
I know, I forgot. But I haven't been using it. When you told me not to, ever since then I don't use it.
When you get it lathered up and everything, her hair wants to hold this.
With the soap.
Yeah. Combing the conditioner through just to see if all areas of the hair is actually touched with the conditioner. And then we're going to put her up under the dryer. What I'm looking for is the hair to firm up and actually become a lot stronger. Doesn't take much. This is how you can tell when hair is healthy. Nothing comes off. When you go through this, and in this type of hair and nothing comes out, man, it's just really just correcting itself. And all of this concept about protective styles, you can throw it out the window. There's no such thing as a protective style. And you have to tell people that. They're preserving the hair, hair needs to be free. It has to be free in order for your hair to grow. All right, we're gonna put her up under the dryer and let this cook for about a good 15, 20 minutes.
Twenty minutes later.
Now, what we do is this. When I'm shampooing that second shampoo, we're going to shampoo the conditioner in the hair. Normally I just rinse out the conditioner, but I found it really interesting when you shampoo the conditioner in the hair. On the last shampoo, the hair feels better. You see how her hair just sucked up all of that? This is the second shampoo. This one right here. That stuff on the market right now. The best way that I blow dry hair when I'm getting out the tangles is I allow the hair to settle itself. Once you take a basic paddle brush, I love the ones that they sell at salads with the vents through them, you're able to have the hair to detangle itself. Natural hair, good hair that is in a healthy condition, separates on its own with the touch of the paddle brush and the blow dryer. It's a simple process. The best way to go in on a flat iron is a diagonal angle. You want to cross in, but you want to almost touch the scalp with it. Good flat irons are not going to burn or hurt the client on any type of a way. You can go in, grab it on a twist, come out, first pass. Cutting the hair process by basic hair cutting skills. You're going to do a zero elevation to it to just get where you want to put your length at. After that, separation is usually in 4 parts. I love the way the hair falls, so you want to see where the hair lays at. So I usually just comb it down and let it fall naturally. Once it falls naturally, that's when you can start your cut, because then you're not going to shortchange your clients with their lift. After all of the hard work, this is the final result. Thanks for watching. I hope you all subscribe. We have a lot more.